Welcome to the Janitorial Spa channel. Thank you so much for visiting. This is the channel where the cleaning community comes to learn about starting a janitorial company or growing an existing one. Welcome. If this is your first time visiting the channel, thank you so much. And make sure that you subscribe so you can get all our latest videos. Also, make sure to visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com or give us a call at 1-800-601-2730, extension 106. Also, visit us at Instagram at The Janitorial Spot. Now, let's get started. So today we're going to talk about 3 ways you can make sure you're ready for when you get that new contract. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have a really great cleaning crew. If it's you, make sure you have some family members to back you up just in case you get sick or something happens where you can't show up to the account. One of the worst things you can do is get an account and not make sure it's cleaned. That's a big no-no. Number 2, you want to make sure you have some really nice equipment. Your equipment doesn't have to be new, but it should be really efficient for the type of cleaning you're doing. Have a backpack or at the very least an upright commercial, no home brands. This will really impress your actual customers and it'll make sure that you do a really good job on cleaning your first account. The third thing you want to make sure is you have adequate insurance. General liability, workman's comp, bonding. These are the things that you want to make sure you have in place before you start that account. So I hope these 3 tips were helpful and have a fantastic day.